Nakakita na ba kayo ng mundong ganito kakulay? Kung saan laging may rainbow, spaghettis, fountain of many flavors, and lots of goodies all around. Dito masarap tumira. Ito ang Jolly Town! At ako si Jollibee! Welcome! Ito ang bahay ko. Marami akong kalarong nagpupunta sa bahay ko. They say it's their favorite place. Parang may party daw araw-araw. I love parties! Woohoo! This is my well. This is where I get water for my beautiful garden. Ito ang aking garden. Alam nyo, ginawa kong mga sculptures na yan to remind me of my favorite things. Burger, yum yum! Spaghetti never fails to cheer me up. French fries, so fun to eat. And sundae, very sweet. Yan ang mga favorite kong pagkain. Pero alam nyo kung ano ang favorite kong part ng Jolly Town? What makes this place really jolly?
Jollibee!
Hey kids! Kamusta? Halika kayo! Maglaro tayo! Sige, magtago kayo, bilis! Uy! Ikaw din! Teka, saan kaya sila? Binilisan ng pagong ang takbo, pero naunahan pa rin siya ng kuneho. Ha! Sabi ng kuneho, hindi mo ko kayang habulin. Ha! Ali kayo! Ito, sarap no? Ito, favorite ko. Yan. O, ayan. Okay ka na. Hey, thanks for helping me water the plants.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Picture!
Sabi mo eh! Smile!
Ding dang dong! Time to go home! Tawag na ni Mommy and Daddy! Goodbye and stay jolly!
Bye, kids!
Jollibee! See you soon!
Bye! Bye, kids! Bye! Bukas ulit! See you! Ay... Magpapahinga muna ako dito sa well and watch the beautiful sky. That cloud looks like a burger. Nakakagutom. Yung isa, mukhang ice cream. Yun naman, smiling face. Parang ngiti ng mga kalaro ko kanina. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag nakakakita ako ng masasayang kids. Sa Jolly Town buong araw ang saya, pero pag ang kids ay umuwi na, ako na lamang mag-isa. Sana lagi akong may kasama. La 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 la. Huh? Wow! Shooting star! Mag-wish kaya ako. Sana may kasama akong magpapasaya sa mga kids araw-araw. Oh! Oo! Oh no! It's going to crash! Whoa! Oh no! It's going to crash! Whoa! Whoa! Huh?
2, 4, 6, 8. Hetty's here and feeling great.
Here I am!
Oh, yeah!
Huh? Hey! Who are you?
We're your wish come true. I'm Hetty, here for you.
And I'm Popo, ready to play!
Wow!
Ta-da! I'm Twirly.
And I'm Yum! Bringing high-tech fun! Wow! Pero paano? Kailan? How did this happen? Huh? According to the data I collected, you verbalized a desire to have assistance at exactly the same time a magical celestial body entered the atmosphere. Huh?
In other words, nagkatotoo ang wish mo sa star.
Wow! This is so cool! Can you believe it? I have 4 new friends!
Syempre, mas marami, mas masaya.
But how did you get here? And what happened to my sculptures?
The magic of the well brought us here.
The well? My well! Naging magical well nung nahulog ang shooting star. And that made my wish come true.
That's right. Ano ang wish mo na gagawin namin? Game na kami! Yay!
Well, nag-wish ako na magkaroon ng mga kasama. Kasi kay dami kong gustong makilala sa iba't ibang batay magbibigay saya. Hindi ka na mag-iisa, may jolly friends ka na tutulungan ka. La 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 la. Dalawang magkasama at magkasalo,
Mas maraming magagawa ang tatlo.
lumulundag ang puso ko dahil ang jolly friends ko ay narito. La 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 la.
Para pantay ang pangkat, maganda kong apat.
Para kumpleto ang kanta, ang galing-galing ng 5.
Ang kaibigan ay narito na, sa maraming batay magbibigay saya. Buhay ay jolly at anong ganda kapag may jolly friends ka.
Pag may jolly friends ka,
La 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 la.
Ding dong down! Good morning, Jollytown!
Huh? I still can't believe my wish came true yesterday. Excited na akong makita ang mga bago kong kaibigan.
Hi, Jollibee! Good morning!
Hello! Good morning!
Jollibee, we're just getting used to our new home.
Your homes! Dito dati nakatayo yung mga sculptures ng mga paborito kong pagkain. My high-tech burger sculpture is now a laboratory. Wow! Wanna check it out? This way.
Come on!
Sure, I'd love to.
Wow!
Ooh. But how do we get in? Parang walang pintuan.
You guys follow me.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow!
Look at all this
Hey,
stuff!
awesome.
Cool!
Here we can watch the stars and planets.
and create stuff. Of course, we can also read my favorite books and watch sci-fi movies.
Wow!
Cool!
What's this strange-looking gadget?
Oh, that? Gumagawa ako ng house in a box. It's a work in progress. Hindi pa tapos yan.
Parang dollhouse?
Parang ganun. Pero mas malaki.
Wow! Anong constellation yun?
Well, what does it look like?
Mukhang French fries.
Let me take a look. I've never seen that before. Interesting. Popo, since ikaw ang unang nakakita, tawagin natin yang Popo Constellation.
Cool! Popo Constellation! I like it.
Popo, dapat may star din ako.
Igagawa na lang kita. Akong bahala. Bigyan mo ako ng patpat, tsaka tape.
Popo naman eh.
Joke lang, Twirly. Hindi mo na kailangan ng star kasi isa ka ng superstar.
Sabagay. That's very true.
Yum! Ano naman to?
Gumagawa lang ako ng drink na babagay sa burger na kakainin ko mamaya.
Yum! Paano nga pala tayo makakalabas dito sa lab mo?
We teleport again. Stand over this circle.
Like this?
That's right.
Here!
Whoa!
Oh, super!
Ang galing! Now, let's go to my place.
Your place? Oo nga, no, Hetty. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyari sa spaghetti tunnels.
If spaghetti brings you cheer, you are very welcome here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll have noodles and oodles of fun. Yay! Hetty's house.
Wow,
Your
neat.
house is so pretty. Oh, thank you.
Pretty and pink.
Hetty, ang dami mong storybooks. I love books. Lagi kaming may storytelling ng mga kalaro ko.
You can borrow them anytime.
Or you can help me read a story to the other kids.
Really? Sige, I'd love that. Reading's fun. Reading's great. Much more when we cooperate.
Yung ibang stories dito, pwede natin gawing play. We can practice and perform it in my theater.
Theater? Oh boy! The Sunday Slide is now a theater?
Punta tayo sa theater ni Twirly.
Yeah, let's go!
Oh, I can't wait!
Raise the curtains, hit the lights. I'm a star and I'm shining bright. If you want to sing and dance, the stage is yours, this is your chance.
This will do. Sorry, guys. This should do it.
Whoa! Whoa, where are we?
Hey, Twirly, what's going on?
You know, this stage can be anything we want it to be.
Ganon? Pwede rin bang maging basketball court ito?
Popo, accept that. This stage is for artistic performances only. If you want to play basketball, sa basketball court o sa gym dapat maglaro. Diba?
Sayang. Now, if only we could find a gym.
Popo, you have a gym. You do.
I do? Oo nga, no?
Yep.
Let's check it out.
Let's go!
To the gym.
Naku, naiwan na ako. Ay, teka lang!
Ladies and gentlemen, from this corner, weighing many, many pounds all together, wearing the colors of the rainbow. The greatest,
The greatest.
the fastest,
Here I come! Here I come!
the jolliest,
The jolliest!
And the cutest!
and the cutest team in the world. Popo, Yum,
Hey guys.
Twirly, Hetty,
That's me!
and Jollibee.
Thank you! Thank you!
Hi, fans!
Whoops!
Wow! This place is so cool.
All our houses are cool!
Huh? Wait a minute. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung house ni Jollibee.
Oo nga no.
That's right!
Oo nga pala! Tara na sa bahay ko! I'll prepare something special for all of you! Yay!
Jollibee's house.
This is fun!
Welcome to my home!
Wow, this is neat.
Wow.
Wow!
Ano naman dito?
All the balloons and toys!
Yeah.
Well,
Birthday mo ba, Jollibee? Bakit may celebration?
we're celebrating our friendship!
Yeah!
Yay!
Yay!
Hip hip
Yeah.
hooray to new friends!
Hip hip hooray! From now on, this will be our clubhouse.
Our very own clubhouse?
Yep.
Wow!
Yeah!
Hey, Jollibee, look at this. You have the nicest view.
Yes, it is nice. Uy, tingnan nyo oh. The well. Look, it's blinking.
Oh!
Looks like it wants to communicate with us.
I think you're right. Tara, puntahan na natin.
Let's go.
Yeah!
The well is showing us different children.
Tama ka. Siguro dapat natin silang tulungan at pasayahin, di ba?
Baka? Merong may gustong matutong kumanta. O, lakas ng loob ang kailangan nila.
Oo.
Baka sa homework ay may magpapaturo.
Baka may gustong sumali sa laro.
Basta tayong limang magkakasama, siguradong matutulungan natin sila.
Yeah!
Limang kaibigan ay narito na. Sa maraming batay magbibigay saya. Buhay ay jolly at anong ganda kapag may jolly friends ka.
Pag may jolly friends ka.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La.
Yay!
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Wishing well. Just show us the kids, and we'll be there when they need us.
Speaking of kids, here they come now.
Wow! Hi, kids! May papakilala ko sa inyong bago niyong makakalaro dito sa Jollytown. Si Hetty.
Hello!
Si Popo.
Yo!
Si Yum.
Hi, guys.
At si Twirly. At may surprise pa kami para sa inyo! Tadaan!
Ano nangyari sa well?
A shooting star fell inside and turned it into a magical well.
That's right.
It needs a little fixing up.
Pwede ba kami tumulong?
Sure, let's all help Yum!
Halika! Tulong-tulong tayo mga bata! Come here! Come here! Ayan! Lagay mo dyan.
Magic na ba yun yung water?
Subukan natin!
Cool. Oh,
Yan.
Ito pa!
Diyan.
Tignan mo.
cool. Hey, look at that.
Halina sa Jollytown, tara! Dito walang tigil ang saya. The Jolly Friends are here for you to help make your wishes come true.
Jollibee's wish came true one day when a shooting star
our first mission!
Our very first adventure together! Oh kids, next week kita tayo muli ah!